Alam mo nangyari kanina, backstage?
Oh.
Eto, tsaka si Rupa may nag-inuman.
English? We're English.
Yeah, English.
English.
You have
That's
any
why we
question?
reunion
Can you talk to her?
Can you talk to him?
Talk to him.
Yeah, I teach him the Bahay Kubo
Oh, you know the Bahay Kubo
Really?
song?
Yes.
How
Can
do you
you-
sing it? How do you sing it?
Can you sing?
Can you say?
Anything?
Bahay Kubo kahit hi later. We're practicing first.
Where's my
We'll practice first.
Where's my gun?
Where's your gun?
Your gun?
Your gun?
It's go,
It's
go,
gone.
gun.
It's already
Parang
gone. It's
nakakatakot si
Yeah,
John.
it's
Here's your
gone.
gun.
No more.
Yeah.
Go, go,
Sure.
gun.
What's this about?
Gun pala. Gun.
Gun.
Kala ko yung gun na
Turbo.
G-O-N.
Yes, yes.
Lots of guns.
Gun G-U-N pala.
What? What?
Again, sir?
Your
I
chop.
love you,
Your
Philippines!
Excuse me, Mr. John, where's your dog?
Yeah. My dog is... She's in sleep right now.
Oh, what? Forever?
Right now.
Sleep? Sleep right now? Oh, sleeping. Oh, it's already afternoon.
Yes.
Afternoon
Siesta.
nap.
Siesta.
Yes,
Do you
nap
have-
time.
So, John, do you have an upcoming movie?
Yeah. Upcoming
Naku, baka
movie.
susuka. Mukhang susuka pa doon. Gumulong-gulong kasi. Oo, gumulong eh. Ikaw pa naman gumulong dun eh.
I promote my latest movie.
Can you speak louder, sir?
The title is...
Excuse me, you have subtitle? Okay.
Jet lag pa ata kasi galing pa ibang bansa.
Yes.
Eh.
The title of the movie
Is
Yeah.
The title is Wait a minute. Yeah. Can you spell? Can you
John,
spell
wait.
What the title?
How do you
Can
spell yeah?
Capital Y.
Why?
Why? And then?
Yun lang. Bakit? In Tagalog, bakit?
Why? Why? Okay.
Sir,
E.
May gusto
May
pa pala.
pahabol.
Natakot ako. Natakot ako.
And of course, capital H, Hilario. Hilario.
Yeah. Hindi pala why.
Yeah. Ibang klase si Sir John, no? What is the pencil all about?
The pencil.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
My choco is in the...
your Chaco.
Choco.
Ng Tagalog.
Nunchucks.
But, sir, we...
For now, my weapon is small pencil.
Small pa yan?
I
Small?
have-
Where's the large one? You have?
You have...
If I'll come back.
If you come back. The large ones like that? That ball, like pencil?
Naiintindihan mo.